Sonta here. How's it going? We're in a little bit of a panic at the moment here. We had this big snowstorm coming down so fast that we couldn't keep up with it. Had 200,000 of the kids out shoveling. See, we're still working on it here. You can see this monstrous pile of snow that we made. And Daredevil up there, he's having a party there on his little sled. Just can't get any work out of that guy. I'm going to have a talk with him. Anyway, we got our snow shovels out here, trying to make progress on it so we don't get completely buried in snow. For energy, we've been feeding the kids eggnog and a little bit of peppermint on the side. We got to watch the peppermint though. It has some kind of interesting effects on us there. It packs a big kick for us aliens anyways. We're thinking it's probably illegal on the home planet. But anyway, this snow keeps up. We're going to have to build us a Deltic powered snowblower. That's what we're thinking of anyways. So anyway, Sontar here in the middle of the big snowstorm. We'll catch you later.